Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about Lowboy with foam. It's a kind of an expression for shorter things that we're going to use in our room, because we know in our small rooms, and you've heard me say this many times, is that in these small rooms, the only way to improve the quality of the sound in the room is to make the room smaller. And how do we do that? We add more units to cover the walls. It's just the way it goes. So now what started out as maybe 10 foot here, when you put the units in, you're down to an 8-foot working area, because most of our stuff's 12, 14, 16 inches deep. And it has to be that deep. Believe me, I wish I could make it shallower, but I can't, because we just don't have those laws of physics that permit that quite yet. Maybe someday. So the thing with the rooms, most of the rooms I see today have such small widths. They'll have 9, 10, 11, and then you lose 2 feet on any of those dimensions. You get yourself down to a really small working area. Some guys will do it, because they want that flat response and they can't get a larger room. Okay. So with our modular system, you can just do a simple row across the bottom. They're only 2 foot high. So that way, if you put the modules on the floor, it leaves all of this area here open. Of course, we still have to treat that area with our foam technology, but it's only 3 inches deep, and the modules are 12 inches deep. So you lose just 12 inches, 2 feet off the floor. Now, some guys will go up 4 feet. It just depends, what their tolerance is for working in smaller spaces. But rather than fill the whole room with our ACDA or our carbon panels, which are the 2 units we use most in this kind of situation, you could take a little different approach for the side walls. The front and the rear wall usually still have to go this way, but that's okay, because our lengths are usually a little bit longer. Okay, so the bottom line here is we can use the modules and not cover as much square footage as we really need to, but get a lot closer than not using any. So the bottom line here is we want to keep the rate and level of absorption for the mids and the highs the same. We do that with our foam, and then we use low frequency management with our carbon technology. And obviously it's best to go floor to ceiling if we can, but we can't in a lot of situations. So this kind of Lowboy with foam approach give you a little bit more elbow room on the side walls. Won't give you as much low frequency absorption, but sometimes in these rooms, we don't need as much on the side walls. It just depends on your room ratio and the usage that you're trying to do. So look at our modules for that kind of situation, and our foam panels, and we can get you all balanced out without taking too much of your room away from you. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.